How to save a marriage after an affair. 10 steps to rebuild trust and heal together. An affair can shake the foundation of a marriage, leaving behind a trail of pain, betrayal, and uncertainty. The person who was cheated on may feel devastated, struggling to understand why this happened. The unfaithful partner may feel guilt, shame, and fear of losing the relationship forever. In the middle of all this emotional turmoil, one question arises: can the marriage be saved? The answer is yes, but it requires time, effort, and commitment from both partners. Rebuilding trust is not easy, but with the right steps, couples can heal and even emerge stronger than before. If you are determined to save your marriage after an affair, here are 10 crucial steps to guide you through the process. 1. Acknowledge the pain. The first step toward healing is acknowledging the pain caused by the affair. Ignoring or downplaying the hurt will only push resentment deeper into the relationship. Both partners must recognize the emotional damage and accept that recovery will not happen overnight. The betrayed partner has every right to feel angry, hurt, and confused. The unfaithful partner must be willing to listen without becoming defensive. Healing begins when both people acknowledge the reality of what happened and commit to facing it together. 2. Commit to honesty. An affair shatters trust, and the only way to rebuild it is through complete honesty. The unfaithful partner must be open about what happened, answering questions truthfully without hiding details. While it may be painful, transparency is necessary to move forward. At the same time, the betrayed partner should be honest about their emotions and needs. Suppressing feelings will only create long-term damage. Open and honest communication lays the foundation for rebuilding trust. 3. Cut off the affair. There can be no healing if the affair continues in any form. All contact with the third party must be cut off immediately. This includes phone calls, messages, social media interactions, or any other form of communication. Even if the affair partner was a co-worker or someone in a shared social circle, boundaries must be set to protect the marriage. The betrayed partner needs reassurance that the unfaithful partner is fully committed to the relationship. 4. Open communication. Many affairs happen due to emotional disconnection or unresolved issues in the marriage. To rebuild the relationship, both partners must communicate openly about their feelings, needs, and expectations. The betrayed partner should feel safe expressing their pain and asking questions. The unfaithful partner should be patient, providing reassurance and showing genuine regret. Regular conversations about the relationship's progress can help both partners understand each other better and create a deeper connection. 5. Take responsibility. The unfaithful partner must take full responsibility for their actions. Blaming the betrayed partner, external circumstances, or stress only weakens the chance of rebuilding trust. Sincere apologies are crucial, but actions matter more than words. The unfaithful partner must show, through consistent behavior, that they are committed to earning back trust. Taking responsibility means demonstrating real change, not just saying, "I'm sorry." 6. Allow time for healing. Healing from an affair is not a quick process. Trust takes time to rebuild, and emotions cannot be rushed. The betrayed partner may go through waves of anger, sadness, and insecurity. The unfaithful partner must be patient and willing to support their spouse during these emotional ups and downs. Some days will be easier than others, but the key is persistence. Both partners should focus on the long-term goal of restoring the relationship rather than expecting immediate results. 7. Seek professional help. Marriage counseling or therapy can be a game changer when trying to recover from an affair. A trained therapist provides a neutral space where both partners can express their feelings, understand each other's perspectives, and develop strategies for moving forward. Many couples struggle to navigate the healing process alone. Professional guidance can help them uncover underlying issues, improve communication, and strengthen their emotional connection. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness. It is a step toward rebuilding a healthy and lasting relationship. 8. Set boundaries. After an affair, new boundaries must be established to ensure that trust is not broken again. These boundaries could include increased transparency, such as sharing phone passwords, checking in during the day, or agreeing on social situations that may be potential risks. While some of these changes may feel uncomfortable at first, they are necessary to create security. The unfaithful partner must be willing to go the extra mile to prove their commitment, while the betrayed partner should communicate what makes them feel safe without becoming overly controlling. 9. Reignite emotional connection. Physical and emotional intimacy often suffer after an affair. To truly repair the marriage, couples must work on rebuilding their emotional connection. This means spending quality time together, engaging in deep conversations, and showing appreciation for each other. Small gestures like leaving a thoughtful note, planning a surprise date, or simply holding hands can make a big difference. The goal is to remind each other why the marriage is worth fighting for and to create new, positive memories together. 10. Commit to a stronger future. An affair does not have to mean the end of a marriage. In fact, many couples who put in the work find that they develop an even stronger bond than before. However, this requires both partners to commit fully to rebuilding their relationship. This means continuing to communicate, being honest, and supporting each other even after the initial healing period. Both partners must actively choose their marriage every day, ensuring that past mistakes are not repeated. Final thoughts. Saving a marriage after an affair is challenging, but it is possible. It requires commitment, patience, and a willingness to face the pain head-on. While the road to recovery is not easy, couples who work through the process together often emerge stronger and more connected than ever before. If you are facing this situation, know that healing takes time. Trust is not rebuilt overnight, but every honest conversation, every act of kindness, and every effort to reconnect brings you one step closer to a renewed and healthier relationship. The past cannot be changed, but the future is still in your hands. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.